Turkey and Russia to continue close cooperation in Syria. Regime attacks kills 3 in Syria's de-escalation zones. Brotherhood vows to remain peaceful despite US plans. Saudi Arabia advised citizens to leave Sri Lanka. Saudi king meets Algerian foreign minister in Riyadh. Trump rips Europe for not taking back Daesh prisoners. Dialogue, only way out of Algerian crisis, Army Chief. UNHCR aids over 250,000 displaced people in Yemen. Sudan's opposition says army insecure about handover. 6 soldiers killed in Sudan clashes. Afghan Taliban announced fresh round of talks with US. Drone attack kills 16 Indian troops.